how to pay with PaySafe on Supercell Store. So in this video, I will show you how to do that just in a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now, first of all, open the Supercell Store. So unlock your phone and open the Supercell Store app, and you will see all the games and items you can buy. So like games and special offers. After that, choose your game and item. Now tap on the game that you play, like Clash of Clans or Brawl Stars. Then choose the item or pack you want to buy. After that, go to checkout. So after choosing your item, tap on buy or checkout. This will take you to the payment screen. So after that, select the PaySafe as a payment method. So on the payment screen, you will see many options like credit card, PayPal, and PaySafe. Tap on PaySafe to choose it. Now after that, enter your PaySafe code. So now you need to enter your PaySafe pin or code, and you can get this code from PaySafe card and you bought online or in a store. So after that, confirm the payment. After entering the code, tap on confirm or pay. If the code is correct, your payment will go through and you will get your item right away. So this is how to pay with PaySafe on Supercell Store. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.